In this lesson, we're going to learn about possessive adjectives. These are the words we use to say things like my book, your house, their car. In English, they're words like my, your, his, her, our, and their. In Spanish, they work a little differently. They have to match the gender and number of the noun they describe. So instead of just memorizing a list, we'll learn how to use them in real sentences. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to say sentences like Mi libro es azul. Nuestra casa es roja. Su coche es gris. Ready? Let's dive into possessive adjectives in Spanish. In Spanish, the word my is mi for singular and mis for plural. For example, if we want to say my ball is orange, we can say mi balón es anaranjado. And if we want to say my balls are orange, we can say mis balones son anaranjados. The word for your in Spanish is tu for singular and tus for plural. For example, if we want to say your book is light blue, we say tu libro es celeste. But if we want to say your books are light blue, we can say tus libros son celestes. This next word is used with several subject pronouns. For él, ella, ellos, ellas, usted, and ustedes, we can use su for singular and sus for plural. For example, su carro es negro. This could mean his car is black, her car is black, their car is black, or your car is black. And sus carros son negros could mean his cars are black, her cars are black, their cars are black, and your cars are black. The word for our in Spanish is split into singular masculine, nuestro, plural masculine, nuestros, singular feminine, nuestra, plural feminine, nuestras. For example, nuestro gato es blanco. Our cat is white. Or, our male cat is white. Nuestros gatos son blancos. Our cats are white. Or, our male cats are white. Nuestra gata es blanca. Our female cat is white. Nuestras gatas son blancas. Our female cats are white. Él es David. This means he is David. David tiene un carro. This could mean David has a car or David has one car. Su carro es rojo. This means his car is red. Ellos son Marta y David. This means they are Marta and David. Marta y David tienen una casa. This could mean Marta and David have a house, or Marta and David have one house. Su casa es celeste. This means their house is light blue. Tú tienes 4 perros. This could mean you have 4 dogs, or you have 4 male dogs. Tus perros son cafés y blancos. This could mean your dogs are brown and white, or your male dogs are brown and white. Yo tengo 7 libros. This means I have 7 books. Mis libros son morados. This means my books are purple. Nosotros somos de Canadá. This means we are from Canada. Nuestra gata es blanca. This means our female cat is white. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on possessive adjectives. Now you know how to say things like my book, your dog, and his car in Spanish. Keep practicing with short sentences and try describing things around you using mi, tu, su, mis, tus, and sus. You're making great progress. See you in the next lesson.